This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, a bit planner, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Right, we are not home, we are in another car, another poor man's car. But yeah, if we look at the result here, you see that the EV3 did 0 to 100 in 7.5 seconds, it's 7.7 on spec, so it's 0.2 second faster on spec. Yeah, that's great. Except for that Kona. Well, Kona was a lot lighter. Kona did it only in 6.8 seconds. Huh, it's supposed to be 7.6, really? Okay, I mean, still 204 horsepower front wheel drive. So I'm not sure what other cars to compare against, but I mean, it's still fine. Wait, what about Inster? Oh, okay, well, compared to Inster, that was 10 seconds. Yeah, that's the proper poor man's car. But okay, and then when it comes to noise, here, EV3 has around 67 decibel average. I mean, it's on par with some of the more expensive cars up here. See, almost as good as Ioniq 5 or iX3, even EV6 GT, the bigger brother from the same mother. And then if you scroll down a bit, you see here is Niro EV, it has worse noise. Scroll further down, you find eSoul, even worse noise. And then what about Kona? Here, down here, even worse than the old Teslas. Wow. So in that regard, I'd say that the EV3 performs really well. It's fast enough, fun to drive, and also not that noisy. So that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.